Whoa, hey guys, today we go outside and we have the Unihertz L49 new model Shark3, and today I'm going to have a quick hands-on, and we will talk about the specification about device, and also we will have the IP68 IP69K video about the testing video about this phone. So here is appearance of the device, and I will say it's used the classical Unihertz family design, but also they have some different parts. And this is the front side. Yes, camera test. So first of all, the camera part is get a 50 megapixel SK1 main camera, Gen 1 main camera, 50 megapixel telephotos, and 64 megapixel night vision. So the night vision is really nice, and also for the selfie camera is 32 megapixel. So here we can get some camera test about this device. Yes, zoom, so maximum 20 times zoom for the rear cameras, and from the front side is 4 times zoom. But no software drag scroll bar. You can do it with your fingers. Not so convenient. For this part, I hope they can improve. Yes. Okay, we can find some details. And it's also integrated with AI, so you can automatically optimization the details. And this is zoom. Yes, let's take some pictures. And also some test the leaves, because for Samsung Gen 1 CMOS sensor 1.2 megapixels can aperture for some stunning clarities and details, and for the 50 megapixel telephoto cameras can ensure sharp zoom capabilities, and also the 64 megapixel night vision camera can enable high quality low light photography. 62 megapixel cameras deliver crispy and detailed selfie. Okay, so just take some pictures and I will put them as a sample at the end of my video. Here's the side, 2 customized buttons, and the red one is made for the camera light switch, and another one you can customize it as well. And with the camera screen recording or something. Yeah, here's the waterproof part for this IP68 and IP69K supported device. So let's wash it, and I can adjust the pressure. And this part for the phone is just a 400 nit screen, not so nice at the sunshine, but it's a 2K resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, 6.3 inch AMOLED screen. This is performance for every challenge. Let's wash it. Yes, nice. And also for the screen is a sync to the edge, so it can well protected phone, and also the camera light, the infrared enters. Oh, we can wash it. Yes, different side, wash it. And also I put it into the water to test the waterproof testing. Waterproof. Also, for this 5G phone, use the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 4nm per Norwich 3.65 GHz processor. And also, you can find they also have some carbon fiber materials. Yes, at the back side of the back side of the phone looks nice. It's a new design. This is the front side, and also the turn on the stopwatch, so this time is still running. You can check the time. And also the back side, the camera light, it's like a beer bottle, maybe. Very funny design. Okay, let's put it into the water, and then we can check how long it's lasting, the waterproof part. Okay, we can still keep recording. And also for this phone, let's get a 11,600 mAh battery with a 120 watt fast charging, and also it's supposed to reverse charging as well. Pretty nice. For the USB 3.0 charging port, and the DP Plus supported charging. Yes, still running. To check the waterproof. Additional standout features like dual speakers for immersive audio, NFC or convenient transactions, and IR blasters for remote control functions, all an underwater camera mode for the capture mode, all very nice. So this waterproof under the water, and then wash it again to the extreme waterproof testing. 7 minutes past they still survive and nothing happened. I know it's a very simple testing, but it's survived for the first challenge. Okay, wash it again and check. I think I've checked the camera, simple camera test. Yes, okay, let's go to the front side. I'm testing the camera, and okay, I'm recording the screen. How to stop it? Okay. Yes, recording now. Okay. Ignore it, get rid of it. Okay, test the camera. Dimension 50MP main camera, Gen1 the most. 50MP telephoto and 64MP night vision and 32MP selfie. Photo. And the photo mode. Zoom. Maximum 20 times. Oh, sorry, no adjust bar. I need our fingers to manually adjust it. Okay, with one hand, not easy, but we can still find some details, so this is nice. Yes. And for the screen display resolution and focus dimension, I think it's 1440 by 3200, and also this point is powered by the Android 14. More details. And AMOLED achieves higher peak brightness levels, so making more visible in bright environment. And also for the 2 TB expandable storage of our dimension. Yes. Reverse charging as well. Now it's a camera and I'm walking. Here's the video. Here is as a adjust bar, so this is nice. But for camera mode, no scroll bar. Very strange. And doing a white code 8849 print is means beyond average. Okay. So they commit to meticulously crafting each form, create a new century. Nice. Yes, we can adjust it seamlessly to adjust it. Okay. Until now, everything works well after the simple waterproof testing. Okay. Okay, stop recording. Okay, so this is a Shark3. Okay, thanks for this waterproof part of Shark3. Let's stay tuned with more cool catch up from here, and at the end of the video I put the sample pictures and the more pictures about the smartphone itself. So let's stay tuned with more catch up from here. Bye bye.